talk about how kids can't focus these days and what you can do about it. It's a real thing. When you really think about the world these days, it's pretty busy. You're constantly stimulated, and if you aren't, you can find something to stimulate the brain. So you're not really resting the way we used to. You can't turn things off. And so it's really hard when you have nothing to do. What I found in classrooms is the kids really unravel when they have nothing to do. And I might even say to kids, hey, just take a few moments to yourself. And they're like, what do we do? Can we use our phones? No. Can we get on a screen? No. That's what they're used to. Constant stimulation. So in order to learn how to focus or strengthen those skills, it's just like, flexing your biceps and having to get heavier weights and make those biceps stronger. So we have to have that area in the brain get stronger. So here's a few things that you can do in your classroom. Take some time out to play games like chess. Cribbage. Remember that old game, cribbage? Some of us learned that when we were younger. Well, it's making a comeback. And I love that it's making a comeback. I'm seeing young people sitting in public places playing cribbage. I think that's fabulous. Exercises like spot the difference, kind of like a Where's Waldo type of thing. Word searches, rebus puzzles, memory game, a giant coloring mural in your classroom. Anything that's going to help those kids have to pay attention to one thing at a time, right? To focus on one thing. Like if you were ever a potter and you worked at a potter's wheel, you can't be thinking about something else or you mess it all up. So any activities you can put in your classroom on a regular basis is going to exercise the brain and help it. So when you need to be able to focus longer on things that are maybe not that enticing, you'll have more physical capacity to do it. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.